Hello everyone, and the next thing I want to talk about is MediaWiki subcategories. So if you remember previously what we did, we had pages for each of these cars and we put them in categories. So we either put them in the sports car category or the microcar category. And we also showed you that they don't have to be exclusively in one category. You can place a car in multiple categories. Now, sports cars may also be made up of further subcategories. An example we have is the BMW i3, which is an electric sports car. So, what we're going to do is we're going to put BMW i8 in as a electric sports car, and then we'll make it as part of a subcategory of the sports cars. But also, of course, sports cars and microcars are just subcategories of cars. So again, what we'll do is we'll show you how we can make cars the category cars, and we can make sports cars the subcategory and microcars the subcategory of cars. And of course, electric sports car will be the subcategory of sports cars. So the idea is that you have these pages, but it allows you to categorize them in multiple ways and actually create that sort of hierarchy of categories so you can break down further how your pages are organized. So let's show you how this can be done on the wiki. So here we have the category sports car and the BMW i8 that we talked about. And what we want to do is now change that to electric sports car, but we want electric sports car to be a subcategory of sports cars. So let's just show you how you do that. So here you'll see it's category sports car, so we need to edit that to change the category. And what you'll notice is I removed the capital from sports, as we want to keep that consistent, only the first letter being capital unless any of the others are proper nouns. So we save those changes, and that's now gone into the category electric sports car. We're going to have to create that category. And we'll create this page, and what we'll find is it will take a little bit of time for the page information to come through. Actually, it's come through straight away, so that's great. So now we have the BMW i8, which is a part of the electric. It is in the category electric sports car. Now, at present, that's now separate. It's not part of the category sports cars. The BMW i8 will now be removed. Now, I'll just go over to the page to show you that. And here you can see the BMW i8 has now been removed from sports car. But of course, we want it to be in sports car. And what we haven't done is we haven't linked sports car to the electric sports car. We haven't made electric sports car a subcategory of that. So the way we do that is we go to electric sports car, and what we do is we add the page category electric sports car. We add the category sports car to it. Let me show you. Save that. Save changes. So electric sports car is now a subcategory of sports car. If we go to here, and what we need to do is to refresh the page. And there we have it. Electric sports car is now a subcategory of sports car. And what you can see is there's one page there, which means the BMW i8. So we now have electric sports car as subcategory of sports car. Now, how do we make sports car? We talked about earlier of having categories cars and sports cars and microcars both being subcategories of that. Again, exactly the same. We add category, cars, save changes. What I will also do, you'll see there's category cars there. I will do exactly the same for the micro cars. Save changes, and what we'll have is we'll have the category cars at the bottom. It hasn't been created yet, so let's do that. Just save pages, save page. And there we have it. We have the micro cars and we have the sports cars, and what you'll see here is 1C because there's a subcategory in there which is the electric sports cars, and we've got 5 pages there, so there's 5 cars listed in that page and there's 1 car listed in that page. So let's just go back to the presentation to visually show what we've done there. So as you can see, what we did is we created the category cars. We had sports cars and micro cars as a subcategory of cars, and we had electric sports cars as a subcategory of sports cars, which also showed up in cars. So very quickly, what we've done is we've started to organize the pages that we've created, create an understanding, and that really helps the users and people to find that information with pages collated in terms of the categories that they are. Thank you very much for watching.